Hello, mamas, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to talk about a little hack to help you get your fitted liner into your birth pool. Sometimes the liner can seem a little tight. That's because it is fitted perfectly to get around all the handles and even the cup holder in your birth pool. So we would like to help you make it a little bit easier during this process. The first and most important part of this process is that while you're inflating your birth pool, you want to leave the top chamber only partially inflated. Next, you'll want to push the cup holder pocket into the cup holder on the pool. Now, insert handles into handle pockets. You may now fully inflate the top chamber. Inflate until you feel no change in the pressure. Congratulations! You have successfully put on your protective liner. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. We appreciate viewers like you. Thank you.